A juror in a high-profile murder case is expected to face some serious charges. We've been covering the resentencing trial for Besmon Okafor. He was found guilty of killing a witness in a separate case against him back in 2012. The judge declared a mistrial in the resentencing just this week because of what one juror did during the trial. West 2's Bob Hazen talked to the victim's father, who now has to sit through yet another court case.
Every day, the judge in this death penalty case told jurors not to talk about the case with anyone. But the court says one juror broke that rule and lied about it for 3 days.
It's devastating, and I can't believe that she did this. I don't know what her intentions were.
Raphael Alexander's son Alex was killed in 2012 by Besmon Okafor, a day before he was supposed to testify against Okafor in a home invasion trial. Raphael has now sat through 2 trials, the first in 2015 when Okafor was sentenced to death, and then the past 2 weeks when Okafor was getting a new sentencing hearing because of a state Supreme Court ruling. And soon, a 3rd trial after the judge declared a mistrial on Wednesday in the resentencing.
I can go through 8, 9, 10, or 12, whatever it takes.
The judge declared that mistrial after the 2 sides made closing arguments. The jury went back to decide whether to give Okafor the death penalty, and they'd been deliberating for hours when the 26-year-old juror told a deputy she needed to talk to the judge. She then told him she'd spoken to a friend over the weekend who knew the victim and, quote, believed him to be a good person. The juror said she, quote, could no longer be fair and impartial and that she would never be able to vote to recommend a sentence of death. The juror had gone 3 days without telling the judge that she had violated his order not to talk to anyone about the case. Now that juror is being charged with criminal contempt of court with a court date next month, and she faces jail time. And the court will have to start over with new jurors, bringing all the witnesses and detectives back. But Alex Zaldivar's father says Okafor must pay for his crime.
He needs to get back on death row and then wait his time out. And I hope that happens. And the last face he's going to remember is going to be my face and with a picture of my son in that room.
In Orlando, Bob Hazen, West 2 News.